Hello and happy day 31 of Vlogtober. I can't believe that it's the last day. It's been a long but fun 31 days, and thank you guys so much for all of your support throughout Vlogtober. It has meant the world to me. It was mostly just me trying to have some fun during my favorite season of the year and to, like I said before, get better and faster at editing, because that has been a struggle in the past with videos, is how long it takes to edit, and I really wanted to make that a little streamlined, I guess. That worked. It worked very well. I'm able to, I think I edited yesterday's video in like a half hour. Granted, it was pretty short and I didn't do much to it. It wasn't the best vlog, to be honest, but knowing that I can just edit a basic vlog like that is very comforting going forward. Yeah, so I had some grand plans for today's video. I don't know yet if I'm still gonna do it or not, but I had some personal things happen and I'm just having kind of a tough time right now. So I am going to attempt to pull myself together, but if not, I'll still try to figure something out. But I think it is 2 o'clock. I've barely had anything to eat, so I am going to go eat some lunch. We gotta keep working for the day. Thank God it's Friday and it's almost 3 o'clock, so it's almost over. I will check in with you guys later. Extremely annoyed because Aunt Flo decided to grace us with her presence 2 days early. So not only is she early, but she's just in time for the last weigh-in of the challenge. Perfect. And I'm bloated and I'm feeling crampy. So on top of the personal issues I'm having today, I am just not feeling good because of my period. I'm really pissed now. I really hope this doesn't really affect my weigh-in tomorrow, but we'll see.
Oh, I'm so annoyed.
Not how I wanted to end Vlogtober, you guys. I'm still gonna weigh in, still gonna take my measurements, and let's hope for the best. Hello? I'm starting to get out of my funk a little bit, so we're gonna go for a ride to Target. I've got to get my lovely lady supplies because I'm out and I wasn't expecting to get this today. So gotta get that and a couple other things, and we will see you in a bit. All right, guys. Final day of Vlogtober and Halloween for you when you're watching this. So I thought it would be fun to carve a pumpkin and chat. I don't know how this is gonna go because this is a little soft because it's been sitting out here for a while. I don't know, this might not work. We shall see. I'm gonna start cutting this off, and this may be a failed attempt at pumpkin carving. At least it's easier to cut, right? Okay. This little one likes pumpkin, so I don't know how this is gonna go. So I think this is gonna be super easy to cut, which is a good thing. And I'm using my hands. I have not carved a pumpkin since I don't know when. So Deanna over at Adventures of Deanna commented and asked, so Luna's not gonna be in a costume? No, sadly, Luna does not do costumes. I don't know if something bad happened before I got her or what, but anytime I try to put any sort of costume on her, she squats and pees all over the carpet or she nips at me. So either my carpet gets ruined or I get bit. I'd rather not do either of those, so we're not going to attempt it. So I'm sorry to burst your bubble. She is getting a bit better. She's not as bad as she was when she was really little, but I'm not gonna try it in this new house, so. I scared her with a knife. What are we doing, Luna? We carving a pumpkin? So, we are going to chat a little bit about what's going to come to the channel. So tomorrow is actually weigh-in day. Tomorrow for me is Saturday. So tomorrow's weigh-in day. I'm going to record my weigh-in, and it's also the end of the month, so I'm going to be recording my measurements, and then I'll be doing a Tone It Up review. Sunday, you'll get that video. So my weigh-in will be on its normal day. So yes, the last day of Vlogtober is today for you guys, because since the beginning, I've been filming a day ahead so that I don't have to film, edit, and upload all on the same day every day. With Vlogtober, you get a vlog every single day in the month of October. You got a vlog every single day from the 1st through the 31st. So that ends the vlogs, and tomorrow will be the weigh-in and review and all of that. As far as November goes, I am planning on just posting one video a week every Sunday, and that'll be my weigh-in video. And it's not going to be anything special, it's just going to be me checking in. It'll be like my old weigh-in videos. I'm not going to have any vlogs or anything. I'm trying to figure out what's going to happen with Arizona, with cases rising, and we don't know what's going to happen on Tuesday with the election and what that's going to mean for us. Are we going to get more restrictions? So I'm kind of in a waiting game here. I'm not taking a plane. I am going to be driving. Part of that is because of COVID, and the other part is I want to take Luna. We're going to take a road trip down to Arizona, and I took 2 weeks off work so that I could have time to drive there and spend time there and then drive back. For the last 2 weeks in November, I'm thinking I might weigh in on that Friday before Thanksgiving instead of Saturday, and then posting that weigh-in on Sunday. At that point, I will be on the road probably. Then the following week, I won't have a weigh-in because obviously I won't be at home, and I will probably do a pre-recorded video. I do know what it's going to be, but I'm not going to say because I want to make sure that I am on schedule with all my filming and all that before I announce the video, in case I have to make any changes. So yeah, it'll be just videos every Sunday in November, mainly weigh-ins. Once December rolls around, right now my preliminary plan is to do videos twice a week on Sundays and Thursdays. So Sundays will be my weigh-in day. Thursday it'll just be like a fun little video that is sometimes weight loss related and sometimes not. There will be some Christmas thrown in there as well. But yeah, so 2 days a week in December, Sundays and Thursdays, and then we're gonna reevaluate at the end of December what we're gonna do for 2021. It's almost 2021, you guys. That's crazy. What a year. Like, what a year. Yeah, those are my plans for the channel. I might miss vlogging, I might not. I might be really happy that I'm not doing it anymore. We shall see. So I have little furry friends outside, little chipmunks. Hopefully they're not in my pumpkin tonight. So unfortunately, when I went out for a walk, we got home from Target, and when I went out for a walk, my phone died. So I didn't get footage from our walk today, but we did walk. I did not work out. I am just still kind of in a mood from the crap that's going on right now. Luckily, I pulled myself together enough to do this for you guys. Otherwise, this would have been a really bad vlog. Really bad way to end Vlogtober. I should have gotten a spoon, but I'm afraid if I leave this here, this little one is gonna try to eat the pumpkin. I also got a question about whether I'm going to do Vlogmas. I'm about 80% sure I am not, and that other 20% is if I do, I'm thinking I might just do weekly vlogs and adding them to my weigh-in. So I'd vlog every day, but then just make it one vlog for a whole week and tack it onto my weigh-in. But that's about as much of Vlogmas as I'll be doing. I am not going to be vlogging and posting every day. All right, I am going to get a smaller knife to cut the face on this. I don't know how well this is gonna go with this being so soft. And I didn't draw, so it's gonna be free form. Let's see how this goes.
Hey, no!
She found some pumpkin on the ground. I don't think you like that pumpkin, Luna. Well, it has no teeth, All right, there we go. There's my pumpkin. So I didn't really mention what would happen with like my weight loss plan. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away. As far as like the holidays and all of that, I'm just gonna act like they're just any other day. For Thanksgiving, I will be in Arizona. My plan for the 2 weeks down there is to just maintain. I am going to count calories, but I am not going to restrict to 1,400 to 1,700 calories because of my weight now. I want to be sure that I am at the right maintenance calories, so I'm going to go recalculate my maintenance calories and then make sure that I'm eating at that in Arizona when I'm there. I am going to allow myself to enjoy myself on Thanksgiving, but any other day is just going to be like any other day where I am tracking what I'm eating. For Christmas, I really only have one Christmas, so I'm just going to treat it like maybe a weekend, like how I do a weekend. I am going to continue to stay within my calorie range of 1,400 to 1,700. That may change when I do my calculation to see where I am now with maintenance. It might be that I'm changing it to 1,300 to 1,600 calories. If I do, I'll let you know, obviously. So luckily, I'm working at home. I don't have to worry about like work potlucks or anything like that. And I will be working at home now at least until the end of January. I can just continue on like normal. On Christmas, I am just not going to count, and I'm gonna be okay with that. One day isn't going to hurt you, and then it's just right back on track the next day. So that's my plan for eating. As far as working out, I am going to do Kathy Friedrich again. I'm gonna do her Step Lovers rotation. I did that earlier this year and it worked really well because I really liked it. I'm only gonna do 3 weeks of it, obviously, because I'll be heading down to Arizona. And then when I get back, I plan on doing another Kathy rotation. I'm not sure yet which one it's gonna be. I have time to think about it. And then I'll talk about this more later on, maybe in December, but I do have plans for January 2021 already. I don't want to give it away, but I can say that I will be focusing on weight training and like actual traditional weight training. And I'm going to be working on building some muscle because we all know that muscle is great for the metabolism. It burns fat while you're resting. I'm not sure how it's going to affect my weigh-ins. I am going to be making sure that I'm doing enough cardio and that I am eating in a caloric deficit, so that's not going to change. I might do a couple tweaks on my eating. I'm not 100% sure yet. I have to evaluate at that time to see if I'm ready to do it. Those are kind of the plans for the next couple months and a sneak peek as to what's going to come in the new year, which you'll see more of in December. Again, I'm so happy all of you joined me for Vlogtober. I appreciate all of your support throughout the month. We've had some ups, we've had some downs, but overall it's been a blast and you guys have been amazing. I will admit that I am going to miss the daily interaction with all of you guys. I'll be finding you all on your channels too. And if you don't have a channel, I do have an Instagram account. I will try to be consistent on that account. I'm not the best at Instagram. I don't know why, I just can't get into it. I'm going to do my best to post on Instagram as much as possible, along with some pictures of Luna Bear, because I know everyone will miss Luna. But yeah, that's it for today. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the weigh-in. Bye.